Once upon a time in the green, rolling hills of Misty Meadows, there lived a young dragon named Dipper. Dipper was not like the other dragons. While most dragons loved collecting shiny things, Dipper was fascinated by rainbows. One bright morning, Dipper woke up to the sound of rain tapping on his cave window. He wriggled his nose in anticipation. He knew that after the rain, the sky might surprise him with a beautiful, shimmering rainbow. As the rain stopped and the clouds parted, sure enough, a bright ribbon of colors stretched across the sky. Dipper dashed out, flapping his little wings as fast as he could. He wanted to find the end of the rainbow. Maybe there are secret treasures there. Maybe I'll find a friend, Dipper thought excitedly. Dipper followed the glowing colors over fields, rivers, and sleepy sheep, but every time he got close, the rainbow seemed to leap just a little farther away. Still, Dipper didn't give up. He decided to ask his clever friend, Penny the parrot, for advice. Penny blinked her bright green eyes and said, "Rainbows are made from sunlight and rain, Dipper. They're not for catching. But I'll come with you. I love adventures." Together, they skipped along flower paths, giggling and telling jokes. Along the way, they met Bella the bunny, who wiggled her ears and joined their rainbow chase. Soon, even Tumble the turtle with his tiny spectacles tagged along. As the group climbed over a hill, they saw something magical, a rainbow puddle shimmering in the grass. Dipper dipped his claw in the puddle and splashed. Swirls of color danced in the air, glimmering in the sun. The friends laughed and played, finding not gold but something better, each of their reflections, mixed together with rainbow colors. "Maybe," said Dipper, "the real treasure was the fun we shared." That evening, as the golden sun dipped below the hills, Penny perched on Dipper's back and whispered, "Next time it rains, let's chase the rainbow again." Dipper grinned. He didn't need to catch the rainbow to know he had found something special. The best adventures, he thought, are those you share with friends, with laughter and a splash of color.